Dobro večer. Ovdje moj ortak drži kameru i sad će da vam prikaže gde se trenutno nalazimo.
So we are at the fort. It's an old, real antique building and really unique. And the whole vibe is just awesome vibes, okay?
What I really like about Sea Splash Festival is the caliber of the artists. Like this festival had man like U-Roy, man like Mad Professor, Ariwa. You know, it's just crazy kind of mix-up of all of those past influences coming into 2018 and making a wonderful festival for people of all ages and different backgrounds, you know what I'm saying? Reggae music being the thread. And then obviously with the drum and bass and the jungle, it's from a reggae background as well. It's a beautiful thing.
Simply strictly dope. Always play the kind of music that we love, yeah. So we're homeward bound. All you have to do is just to listen to the sound, wow, wow.
So when we come to Sea Splash, it's like a strength of unity. You know, even though it's more like an Eastern European thing, but you see right here now, as myself coming here and I dwell with the brethren and sister, and it's just love and strength right here. And that's the thing I love about Sea Splash. And the difference about Sea Splash, you don't hear too much of the way music, if you know what I mean by way. But here you get more essential music. Music for upliftment. Music for the art, music for the body, and that is the special about Sea Splash Rastafari.
My show be the baddest if you want a live ting to knock down your palace. If you want a live man to light up the chalice and spark up the dance, make the gala man panic box. In a good way only, positive vibes, I'm all smiles, no phony. Tell my man, made the subs my own me. Speak of attacking the place, you can't hold me.
If you have a good time, good vibes, no headache. Yeah, Sea Splash is the place.
Yeah, you need to get yourself down to Sea Splash, man. It's a mad festival. If you're into your sound systems, if you're into your reggae music, Sea Splash. Number one, numero uno.
To see my show in the soundboy style, dubs for the future, dubs for the 90s. Wordsmith and I do this mighty. Sound sick and I rate this highly. Shit, hold down the audience. See the signs for crowd is enormous. It's why man I tour in Europe with the big sign, a big bad performance.
Sea Splash je nekako za nas neki mali godišnji odmor. Stvarno, druženje sa prijateljima, upoznavanje novih ljudi, novih artista koji dolaze.
I'll tell you this now, if you haven't been to Sea Splash, it's one of the most chilled out, laid back festivals you can go to. Weather's beautiful, sunshine, sea, good food, good people, good music, man. Sea Splash is off the chain. It's definitely a place you need to come and check out. It's not no hassle though, you know what I mean? It's not like, it's just chill. That's what I love about Sea Splash.
Šetam se po kući u boksama i šlapama. Glava mi je čelava, drobina mi dlakava. Pušin mali cvi, da me ne bi sjebalo. Slušam ovaj beat i repam pred ogledalom.
Bez pretjerivanja mogu reći da je Sea Splash jedan od glavnih razloga ili vjetara u leđa zbog kojih danas već ne znam ni koji put sviram ovdje, ali i na drugim festivalima kao Outlook.
Mislim da je Sea Splash kao festival inspiracija, pogotovo lokalnim mladim snagama, da se ostvare na neki način i da vidi da je sve moguće.
You're in a fort on the sea. It can't be topped. You know what? If a bomb's gonna happen, we can still play dub all night long, so you're safe. So people, come this year, next year, the year after, bring your family, bring your children, bring your mothers. Everybody's welcome. It's that kind of vibe. It's my pleasure and an honor to be here. Thank you so much for having me. Bless.